Hi guys, here is Dream Team. Today I will introduce this 7-inch HD high resolution header unit double-DIMM for Universal. When you receive header unit, you can take out protector screen. Right. Back of header unit. Left. This is a microphone, home button, back, GPS button, power button and volume button, SD GPS map card slot, reset hole. Let me using caliper to measure the header unit size. $178. $174. Screen. This is screen size. It can touch screen. And HD high resolution 1024 and 600 resolution. Let me measure this size. $100.
Okay.
Back of header unit. When you receive join double-DIMM header unit, you will go to this connection diagram. Before ready to when you connect it. And the tool is wire ISO harness. This is with connector. Okay, thank you.